Now that we've learned the equation for velocity, here's a question that sort of encompasses everything we've learned so far. So a cyclist rides at a velocity of 4 meters per second east for 18 seconds. What is the displacement covered? Well, if you recall our previous video, we learned that velocity is equals to displacement delta d over t. All right, where v is our velocity, as I said, velocity. The units are meters per second. Our delta d is our displacement. Displacement in meters. And our t is our time. And that is in seconds. All right. So let's write down our givens. So in this question, they give us a velocity of 4.0 meters per second in the direction of east. Okay. They provide a time, which is 18 seconds. And they want us to find the displacement covered. So this displacement covered here, right? Rather, actually, this displacement, they're looking for delta D. Okay, that's what that is. So I'll come down here and we're going to write delta D is equals to question mark because that's what we're finding. All right, awesome. So let's rearrange this equation so that we have delta D. So we have V is equals to delta D over T. We can multiply T on both sides. Cancels out, cancels out. We have T V is equals to delta D. Okay, so there we go. We've isolated delta D, and now let's use the equation. We in sub in V and we in sub in T. So velocity they provided was 4.0 meters per second in the direction of east. Okay. And they provided the time, which is 18 seconds. So let's write that in, 18 seconds. Boom. Okay. And if we look at the units here, 18 seconds and 4 meters per second. If we multiply seconds by meters per second, well, look at this. Units cancel out, and we are left with meters, which is exactly what we want because displacement, or delta D, which I'll write in here on the right side, is measured in meters. So we know we used the right equation and we know that we rearranged it correctly. Okay, 18 times 4 is 72 meters is left. Let me move this a little bit to the left side and we can write in that it goes east. Okay, all right. And there is our answer, 72 meters east. But we should also check our significant digits. So we have 4.0, that's 2 sig figs on the velocity. 18 seconds, that's 2 sig figs on the time. 72 is to 2 sig figs, so we don't even have to change anything up. But just remember to keep that in mind on tests. Sometimes they can get a little bit tricky. All right, I hope this video helps.